Mechanic Bianca, back on the job.
The hard one because it's in there.
Why do you think I left it for you?
Thanks.
I just do all the easy stuff at the front so I can feel accomplished.
Do we have a swivel that I can use on that?
I just want to make sure you ain't gonna fall. Oh.
You gonna help Mama?
Mouse.
I got stuck in there. Well, I don't want to go up. I don't go up high enough.
Girl.
See?
Yeah, I didn't going up high enough.
Right here. I think we're gonna have to take this out, babe.
The alternator.
The alternator?
Yeah.
Why is that getting hung up on it?
There's a little tab here where the bolt attach here. And it's in the way of the giant bottom part of this.
Here you go, girl.
That means you gotta loosen up everything to get that. I got you, don't worry.
Got the whole crew here.
Belt off to get that off. Wow.
Okay. I'll leave it to the dog to state how I feel. Well, I found all the stuff we dropped. And is that a mouse house? We did it.
Yeah, I got a problem right now at home too.
I'm definitely not surprised that electrical issues pop up after seeing this giant house in the center here. They're just notorious for chewing on wires, you know?
Yes, they are.
At least, I think I should inspect the harness and stuff while I got all this open before I do anything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
To get to your transmission
Harnesses.
and stuff, a hell of a lot easier with the junk off the air.
Heck yeah.
There's a bolt.
Yeah, that's the bolt we dropped earlier. Oh, you see a number 10 socket anywheres? We lost that too.
No, I don't see a socket right now.
Me neither.
I can't remember where she said she dropped it.
No, I'll have to get her out here, ask her if she remembers.
There
where
it is. Another socket right down there.
Where?
Right down there. You got that magnet?
Yep, right here in front of us.
Oh, we need gas. Shit. I see that. I apologize for that, John.
No worries, man. There is a gas container, hopefully not all the way full, right by the powerhouse you can grab to use. There it is.
There's one socket right there.
Alright, here's our cleaning setup. A back sprayer with water in it. We have some purple power cleaner, some degreaser. I think that I may have erred in showing Bianca that there's chemicals that can make her engine shiny. They're quilted for more absorbency, I think. Are they?
I don't know. I need the bucket. Sorry about your video.
Oh, it's fine.
And you can see all the gunk here where the injectors go through.
That's definitely the main issue, is that first one right there. It was leaking exactly out of this port.
Yep.
And then over here, you think it just started, oh, because that one was rotten, right? That was where I just checked and it was all nasty.
Oh, this one here ain't as green as the other side is.
Mm-mm. Well, that is nice and shiny surface. Looks good enough for the gasket to get a nice, good grip on or whatever. Good job, Bia.
Thanks. I'm dead.
Are you sure you really need new shoes? Where's dirty? Oh my, You're a girl.
This is never gonna get out of my shoes.
Oh, when I was younger, I was able to do that, but I can't do that no more.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
It's in place.
Easy, right?
With my fingers.
Okay. Now I'm gonna need those extensions that I was using earlier.
You got it. It's not tightening at all?
It is.
Oh, okay. Don't kill me, I was just checking. Just taking forever, you know?
Yeah, because this one was harder to tighten with my fingers, so I probably didn't go all the way down. Breathe, so it might sound like I'm upset. I'm not.
So, how fun is this job?
Not fun at all.
Would you like to pay someone $1,600 to do it?
Kind of.
No way. Alright, get out of here. Pay me $1,600, you're fired. Since I only have to do like a couple more steps anyways. Is it really that bad? Do you think you'd really pay someone $1,600?
Ow.
Man,
Ow.
I wish I could make $1,600 in a day. It's just a pain.
Should I keep going?
Go until it tinks completely, and take all those wobblies off too, because sometimes you get an incorrect torque reading when you use wobble
it's
bars.
all-
Keep going until it goes chink. There you go. Yeah, that's correct.
Well, this one did.
Okay,
This
so
one did not.
keep going.
It's just spinning. If I keep going,
It's just spinning?
I feel like it's going to loosen what is tight.
Okay.
I would not tighten
Yeah.
it anymore.
Then it's almost gonna shear.
Yeah.
Where would it be shearing?
I think it's just on the bottom where the threads are, where we have to replace the whole block. So I will leave it like that, and hopefully it won't leak, because hopefully it's tight enough.
Jeez.
I was gonna say,
Have a better idea?
take that one out and see if it's too long. If it is, because that could be what also would it be? Could be bottom out at the bottom of the hole.
No, that's...
Alright, so because we're putting in these bright yellow racing color ones, it's gonna be very good.
Just because of the color, huh?
You got it. If it was just white, you'd be like, you know, not very cool, but... Okay, so we're putting in all of the new coils now. I thought I got new everything, but I didn't get injectors. That would have been another small fortune, I'm sure. It's annoying because on this injector, all the things are not threaded, and we have to cut all of our own with these ridiculously coarse threaded fasteners. We're almost there. Starting to look like the normal engine again.
Yep.
Giving your leg kisses.
Hi, sweetie. Thank you. You're nice.
I have like a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch to go with the left.
Hey, sweetie pie.
There should be a hose, babe.
Jeez, I can't believe it's 7 already. Here goes nothing. Ah! Really? My phone might fall. That's just gonna be Fuel rail's empty, right?
Yep.
That's why I kept my hands on it.
Well, you think it'll start? Dang, that's kind of embarrassing. That was supposed to be like our big finale.
I know.
Okay, so what was the problem?
It looks like we were missing one of the connectors for the fuel injectors. I had them all plugged in, but then I had to pull the rail off so I could tighten the bolts for the coils. So it must have fallen.
Gotcha.
So I just plugged it back in. Had to take one of the fuel lines off and then plug it back in. And
here you go. Moment of truth.
uh-oh.
Number 2.
Should it be smoking?
What? Yeah. That's just the stuff burning off. It might be all that cleaner in there. It's messing up the air fuel mixture too. I got no idea.
Okay. That's what I was hoping that it was.
Okay, so I fooled it. I told Bia while I was cranking over to mess with the throttle spring, which changes the amount of air that comes into the throttle body. And so now it's starting. It's running really rough. I think that one of these coilover packs isn't on all the way or something. Let's hope it throws us a code. But it's running. You hear that vacuum leak?
Yeah. I mean, we messed with all the vacuum stuff.
All right, let's go back and check the vacuum lines then. Only thing left to do now is take it for a test drive. Whew, it has been all day. Sun's now in the far corner. I started when it was in the opposite corner. There's the $1,600 we saved in labor. It was really scary there at the end when it wouldn't start, but honestly, there was so much degreaser and stuff in everything. I think we didn't clean it out good enough, but now that it's been running for a few minutes, it sounds and feels like a champ. All we can do now is wait for it to talk to us. Woo! Waiting for the next one. Just give me a little bit first, truck. Yes! We did it. Well, Bianca did it, really. I'm so proud of her, man. She is not had exposure like I have to mechanics, and she just jumps right in there. Just tears it out. Not afraid to make mistakes, and, you know. So, here we are. I hope that today's labor will have actually been a savings and not cause further problems. Now that's fixed, hopefully our truck will stop overheating and all the coolant will stop disappearing now that we know what was up. And on to the next thing, right? Tracing that electrical short for the transmission. Oh well, at least I got a 25 pack of fuses. Have a wonderful Sunday evening. I know tomorrow's Monday, but it's really starting great for me. I don't want to have that hanging over my head. I have family coming to visit in this next week. Can't wait to see them. It's going to be fun. Maybe we'll put on a fireworks show or something. Have a good evening. So how's it feel to be an awesome mechanic who took apart the whole top of the engine by herself and pretty much put it back together, huh? Huh? Heck yes you do. Come on, stop blowing fuse. It sucks because we didn't even move a foot and it blew the fuse.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Wait, will it start now without me messing with the throttle cable? Please work. Yes! It was just the junk in the truck. It blew again? It blew immediately on startup? You're going to town anyway? Okay. Here we go.